You swore you wouldn't yell. And then it happened. The chaos, the whining, the sibling fight, the bedtime battle that somehow lasted 47 minutes. And before you even realized it, your voice was raised. Again, today we're not going to shame parents. We're going to break down why yelling happens, why it doesn't actually work long term, and exactly what to do instead in real-life chaotic moments. Because staying calm isn't about being a perfect parent. It's about having a plan before the chaos hits. Part 1. Why you yell and why it's not about your child. Yelling isn't a discipline strategy. It's a nervous system response. When your child ignores you, hits their sibling, refuses bedtime, whines endlessly, your brain reads it as loss of control. The amygdala fires. Stress hormones rise. Your body prepares for threat. And yelling becomes the fastest release valve. This isn't because you're a bad parent. It's because you're dysregulated. Your child's chaos triggers your survival brain. And dysregulated adults cannot regulate children. So the real skill is not, how do I control my child? It's, how do I control my nervous system first? Part 2. The 4 most common yelling triggers. Let's break down the chaos moments where most parents lose it, and what to do instead. 1. Morning chaos. Shoes missing. Breakfast untouched. You're late. Instead of, why is no one listening? Try pre-decision structure. Clothes chosen the night before. Shoes by the door. Visual checklist on wall. Then say calmly, shoes or backpack first. Choice restores cooperation. Why it works. Children resist commands. They respond to controlled choices. 2. Bedtime battles. They suddenly need water, another hug, a different blanket, a life story. Instead of escalating, use the 2-step bedtime close. Step 1. Connection. I love our cuddle time. Step 2. Boundary. It's sleep time now. I'll check on you in 5 minutes. And then actually check. This builds trust. Most yelling at bedtime happens because parents feel trapped. Boundaries without anger reduce power struggles. 3. Sibling fights. You hear screaming. You rush in. You yell. Stop it right now. But yelling adds fuel. Instead, walk in slowly. Lower your voice. Say, I won't let you hit. Then separate calmly. After calm returns, coach the conflict. Not during the storm. During sibling fights, your calm is the regulation anchor. 4. Repeating yourself 10 times. This one pushes every button. You ask. They ignore. You ask louder. They ignore. You explode. The fix. Stop repeating. Say it once. Then follow through physically and calmly. Example. It's time to put the tablet away. If ignored, walk over. Gently take tablet. I see it's hard to stop. No lecture. No anger. Consistency eliminates yelling. Part 3. What to do when you feel the yell rising. Here's the exact in-the-moment protocol. Step 1. Pause your mouth. Press lips together. Physical interruption stops escalation. Step 2. 1 slow exhale. Longer exhale than inhale. It signals safety to your nervous system. Step 3. Lower your voice on purpose. A whisper forces regulation. Children lean in when voices drop. Step 4. Move your body. Step back. Sit down. Change posture. Movement resets stress. This 10-second reset changes everything. Part 4. What to say instead of yelling. Here are calm scripts for chaotic moments. Instead of, how many times do I have to tell you? Say, I've already answered. Instead of, go to bed now, say, it's bedtime. I'll see you in the morning. Instead of, stop fighting, say, I won't let you hurt each other. Instead of, why are you like this? Say, you're having a hard time. Scripts remove emotional overload. Part 5. When you do yell, because you will, you're human. Repair matters more than perfection. Say, I didn't like how I spoke. I'm working on staying calm. This teaches emotional responsibility. Children don't need flawless parents. They need accountable ones. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Yelling is not a parenting failure. It's a nervous system overload. And calm parenting isn't about never getting triggered. It's about learning how to recover faster. Every time you pause instead of explode. Every time you lower your voice instead of raise it. Every time you repair after you mess up, you are rewiring your child's brain and your own. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. And if this video helped you feel less alone, or gave you one tool you can use tonight, then you're already moving in the right direction. Now, tell me in the comments, what moment pushes your buttons the most right now? Morning chaos? Bedtime battles? Sibling fights? Or repeating yourself? And if you want more calm, practical, science-backed parenting strategies that actually work in real life, not just in theory, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the next video is going even deeper into how to get kids to listen without yelling. You're not a bad parent. You're a learning parent. And that makes all the difference. I'll see you in the next video.